Ever smelled gas and weren't sure if it was an emergency? Natural gas leaks are silent and dangerous, but the right detector gives you early warning when it matters most. Today, we're showcasing 5 of the best gas and carbon monoxide detectors on Amazon to keep your home and family safe. Use the links in the description for discounts. Let's dive in. First up, for those who want comprehensive monitoring in a compact plug-in design, we have the NICGOL 4-in-1 upgraded natural gas and carbon monoxide detector. This sleek black unit combines dual sensors to detect both natural gas leaks and dangerous carbon monoxide levels simultaneously. But it goes further. It also monitors temperature and humidity in your home, giving you a fuller picture of your indoor environment beyond just gas safety. Simply plug it into any standard outlet, and it continuously scans for threats 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When it detects gas or CO at dangerous levels, a loud 85 decibel alarm sounds immediately to alert you and your family. The digital display shows current readings clearly, so you can monitor conditions at a glance. Perfect for home, kitchen, basement, RV, or anywhere with gas appliances like stoves, water heaters, or furnaces. If you want an all-in-one safety device that covers multiple risks without cluttering your walls with separate units, the NICGOL 4-in-1 is a smart space-saving choice that delivers reliable protection. Next, we have a feature-packed option that adds portable battery backup for uninterrupted protection. The 5-in-1 carbon monoxide and natural gas leak detector by Vilfet. This black unit plugs into your wall like a standard outlet device but includes battery backup. So it continues monitoring even during power outages, a critical safety feature that many detectors lack. The HD display screen shows real-time readings for CO levels, gas concentration, temperature, and humidity clearly and accurately. Its dual sensors detect both natural gas and carbon monoxide, triggering a loud alarm when either reaches dangerous levels. The compact design fits discreetly into any room without drawing attention. For homeowners who want constant protection, especially in areas prone to power fluctuations, storms, or grid instability, this detector offers reliable monitoring with the peace of mind that it stays active even when the grid goes down and other detectors might be offline. Now, let's look at another excellent 5-in-1 option, also from Vilfet, with similar comprehensive features. This 5-in-1 carbon monoxide and natural gas leak detector offers the same plug-in convenience with essential battery backup, ensuring 24/7 protection regardless of power status. The HD display keeps you informed about gas concentrations, CO levels, temperature, and humidity at a glance, making it easy to spot trends or sudden changes. Its dual sensor technology is highly responsive, detecting threats quickly before they escalate. The compact, minimalist design fits discreetly into any room, and the loud 85 decibel alarm ensures you won't miss a warning, even if you're in another part of the house. For those wanting dependable, multi-sensor protection with an easy-to-read screen and reliable performance, this Vilfet model delivers consistent peace of mind at an affordable price point. For RV owners, campers, or those needing truly portable protection, the 6-in-1 carbon monoxide detector with magnetic base is an absolute game changer. This versatile unit not only detects natural gas and carbon monoxide, but also includes a smoke alarm, making it a true all-in-one safety device perfect for small spaces. Its innovative magnetic base lets you mount it easily on any metal surface in your RV, camper, garage, workshop, or even your vehicle. The built-in battery backup ensures it works even when unplugged, and its lightweight, portable design means you can take it wherever you travel. Whether you're parked at a campsite, staying in a rental, or just want extra protection in your garage workshop, this 6-in-1 model offers unmatched flexibility. For travelers, RV enthusiasts, van lifers, or anyone wanting a multi-purpose detector that moves with them, this unit provides comprehensive protection in one portable package. Finally, we have a trusted name in home safety that's been protecting families for decades: the Kidde Carbon Monoxide, an explosive gas detector. Kidde is synonymous with reliable home safety, and this plug-in model continues that legacy with proven performance. It detects carbon monoxide along with explosive gases like propane, natural gas, and methane, covering the most common household fuel sources. The included 9-volt battery backup keeps it functioning during power outages, ensuring you're protected when you need it most. The digital LED display shows CO levels clearly so you can monitor conditions at a glance. Its straightforward, no-nonsense design focuses on what matters most: reliable detection and loud, clear alarms when danger is present. For those who prefer a trusted brand with a proven track record spanning generations, the Kide Detector offers dependable protection with the essential features you need and nothing you don't. Just solid, reliable safety. From the comprehensive Nike 4-in-1 with temperature and humidity monitoring to the battery-backed Vilfet models, the ultra-portable 6-in-1 with magnetic base, and the trusted Kida with decades of reliability, these 5 detectors offer robust protection against invisible threats. Gas leaks and carbon monoxide are serious dangers that claim lives every year, but with the right detector properly placed in your home, you can rest easy knowing your family has early warning when it matters most. Don't wait until you smell gas or feel symptoms. By then, it could be too late. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated detectors, and breathe easier knowing you're protected. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.